Welcome guys. Today I'm going to fill you guys in on the latest Instagram stories updates. In the month of October, Instagram made some updates to their Instagram stories. So I'm going to show you guys the latest updates and how you can use some of the new features. So let's go to Instagram stories straight away. I'll just go ahead and select my story. So now we're on the Instagram stories page. As you can see already, it looks different from how it used to do. So when you go to the top of the page where you used to have your options, you can see the branded content label tab has been changed. Now it looks like a picture, a camera icon. You can see it at the top there. It has been changed. So next to it, you'll see the font tab where you normally click to type your text, your stories. So right now when you click on it, you will notice that at the top of the page all the options that you can use to edit your text appear all at once, which was not the case before. So right now you can just go ahead, type your text, select the font color, align your text, choose the size, choose the label or background, and even animate your text on this one page and just click done. So that's a very cool update from Instagram, making typing of text very easy. Then as we move on, the next tab is the stickers tab. As you all know, is a place where you can add stickers to your stories. That is where a very big update. As you can see, when you click on it, Instagram has added 2 new stickers. You can see it's at the top right, the add yours sticker and then the link sticker. In the past, it was only accounts that had 10,000 or more followers that could add links to their stories. That is the swipe up feature. But right now, Instagram has made it possible for all accounts to be able to add links. So this is where you can add links to your Instagram stories. So for a video on how to use these 2 new features, how to add links and how to use the add yours sticker, please click on the link in my description for a video on how to do it. Thanks. So we'll go on back to our stories page. So when you click on this, the 3 dots at the last tab here, you'll notice that when you click on it, option the drop down menu comes up. You see draw and save. So in the past, you could draw by clicking on your fonts icon, but right now the draw has been shifted to these 3 dots, and then you can also save as in the past. In the past, you just click on the arrow at the top and you can save your picture to share with family and friends, but right now you have to click on this more icon. This is the 3 dots. When you click on them, then this option comes up, then you click save, and when you click on save, you can see it says photo saved. So that is the new way to save your photos from Instagram stories. So guys, these are the new or the latest updates on Instagram stories in 2021. I hope you have learned a few things from this video and you'll try out the new Instagram stories updates. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe and share your comments in my comment section.